Welcome you all to this video. In this video, we have to know about how to disable non-auto SSL certificate expiry notices in Web Host Manager. Introduction. SSL certificate expiry notifications are useful for maintaining secure services. However, in environments where non-auto SSL certificates are managed externally or are not critical, these notifications can become unnecessary or excessive. Prerequisites: root access to Web Host Manager, administrative privileges to modify server settings, understanding of SSL certificate management on the server, confirmation that disabling these alerts will not impact critical monitoring or compliance requirements. Implementation. Step 1. Log in to Web Host Manager. Access Web Host Manager using root credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Tweak Settings. Go to Home, Server Configuration, Tweak Settings. Step 3. Open Notifications tab. Click on the Notifications tab. Step 4. Disable expiry notification. Locate the option Send notifications when certificates approach expiry. Set it to off. Step 5. Save changes. Scroll to the bottom. Click Save. Conclusion. Disabling non-auto SSL certificate expiry notifications in Web Host Manager helps reduce unnecessary alerts and improves administrative efficiency, especially in environments where SSL certificates are managed through external systems. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and share.